This survey examines how hotel staff are affected by digital workload and techno stress, and how this influences job satisfaction. Its goal is to see whether current technologies support staff or create additional pressure or stress.
The survey aims to understand how hotel frontlines experience digital workload in their daily tasks, how technology-related stress affect them, and how these factors influence their overall job satisfaction. The goal is to gather insight that can help improve working conditions, support employee well-being, and enhance hotel service efficiency. This survey explores the impact of digital workload and techno stress on hotel frontliners' job satisfaction, aiming to improve working conditions, employee well-being, and service efficiency.
The data shows that the majority of respondents expressed positive agreement, where agree is 42.86% is the highest, followed by strongly agree, 28.57%, combined 71.43%. Participants lean toward approval, indicating strong support or satisfaction. A smaller portion remain neutral, 14.29%, while only 14.28% show slightly uncertainty through somewhat agree and somewhat disagree, 7.14 each. Notably, 0% fully disagree.
The survey highlights the importance of understanding employees' digital challenge. As hotels continue to adopt new technologies, it is crucial to support staff with proper tools, training, and working conditions. Reducing techno stress can lead to better job satisfaction and improve overall performance in the hospitality industry.